What's good, YouTube? It is Forex DHS back with another video. And look, in today's video, I'll be giving you all the 5 easy steps to become a better trader today. And look, in this video, it's not going to be in no chronological order. I'm just going to be giving you all these and explaining as to why I feel as though these are the 5 steps that you need to become a better trader, profitable trader at that. I'm someone that's been trading for about 3 to 4 years now. And what I can say about trading is that it is very complicated at the beginning. It's very confusing, that you can say, because it is a new language. It is a new way of seeing numbers and graphs within, your everyday lifestyle, especially like numbers and graphs that can actually get you paid and, pay the bills. You feel me? So in this video, I'll be breaking those down and giving y'all the real game as to how I became a better trader and profitable. Like I said, man, 3 4 years, I done blown hundreds to thousands. I always tell people, man, I done invested at least over $10,000 in trading within a year. You know what I'm saying? So 3 to 4 years now, that kind of tells you that, what I'm saying, like the amount of money that I have put into this has been a large sum, and I'm still learning, I'm still growing, you know what I'm saying. But however, I have got to a point that I am now making money from trading. Like my whole paycheck from work, at me working 40 hours, literally whole paycheck is getting made by trading now. Like that's how it's getting to this point. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the whole video, and let's get started with the list, man. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. I am a 20-year-old trader as well, just for those people that want to like know my age wise. And that just goes to show like the information that I'm giving can really help anyone, because me being this young and being able to do what I do within trading, this could help someone else as well. So what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna minimize the screen, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my chart. So boom. All right, so we on GU right now. If you don't know, this is the Great Britain pound against the US dollar. But I'm not here for the graph exactly. I'm just here to write down these notes and so y'all can follow me, you know what I'm saying? Because I am a visual learner myself, so me writing this down can help some people. So topic for today, as I said, how to become a better, too many T's, better slash, where the slash at? Oh, slash profitable trader. Number one, like I said, these aren't going to be no chronological order. Number one is patience. All right, patience pays. YouTube, this is one of the biggest ones, bro. Patience. When I tell y'all, once you learn how to have patience within the market, trading is going to become so much easier for y'all. Just because that's the name of the game. Once you start understanding that you need time for the trade to marinate and do what it needs to do, it's going to be easier for you to start holding trades for a longer period of times and make more money from the trades, because you won't have to be around your chart for a majority of the time. For example, right, the last trade that I was in, as y'all can see, I got in right here. It shot up. It shot back down. A lot of people would have lost, would have been impatient, and would have took out their trade right here, because they would have thought like, damn, like this is going down and it's been taking so long for it to go ahead take profit. Let me just get out now, not knowing that trade rejected and went to go ahead TP. This trade right here took me 2 days and 6 hours to hit TP. You know what I'm saying? Some people are not patient enough to wait that long. So with that being said, once you understand patience, bro, trading becomes so much more easier. It makes it so much it just makes trading easier. I'm gonna be honest, it just makes trading way easier. You feel me? So like I said, number one is patience. Number two, can I still write? Okay, I can't. Hold on. Okay, number two. And I am following a list that I have written down. And this is how you know there's some good information, right? Because I done wrote this down over a year ago. And I just added some new ones that I just figured out within the last couple months. But the next one is one, and it doesn't even have to be this high, honestly. A 1 to 3 is good. I'm gonna just say 1 to 3 minimum. However, I trade 1 to 7s. I'm just saying 1 to 3. 1 to 3 minimum ratio. All right. In other words, buy low and sell high. Oh, my bad. So boom, right? 1 to 3 minimum trade ratios, buy low, sell high. Now, for those that don't know, trading is all about probability and numbers, ratio, percentages. So with that being said, let's say for example we have this trade right here. All right, so boom, right? Now, for those that don't know and are new to trading, this is basically a tool that we use to map out the trade that we're looking to get into. So in this sense right here, we have a trade that is 67 pips going up and then 67 pips 67 pip stop loss, 67 pip TP. So this is a 1 to 1. In other words, I'm risking $67 to make $67. Okay. Now, a 1 to 3, as I said, is something more so like this, where I am risking $33 to make $101. Okay. This is a 1 to 3. So with a 1 to 3, you're now giving yourself less room for your stop loss, but you're giving you more room for your TP. Okay. Now, personally, like I said, I trade 1 to 7s. A 1 to 7 looks like this. Okay. I'm risking $16 to make $117. A 1 to 7. Other words, I'm risking 1 apple to make 7 apples. The simplest form that I can say this as well is which side. Let's say, for example, this was a bag. Let's say that this was a box of money, right? Would you rather get the red box of money or the blue box of money? Anyone with simple and common sense will say, I want the blue box of money because it has a larger percentage of space that you can, a larger amount of space that you can benefit from. Okay. So once again, like I said, this is me buying low, right? This is right here that I have, this is a buying tool. So if this buying tool was like this, I'm buying at the middle. This is not buying low. Remember, you have to buy low, right? Then you have to sell high, right? Sell high is up here. A 1 to 7. I'm risking $16 to make $117. I believe the market will go down. Same thing that y'all see over here, right? Look at this. A 1 to 8. A 1 to 7. I am buying low. I am buying low. I am selling high. Right? I lost this trade. I'm selling high. Lost this trade. I am selling high. Selling high at 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Right? 1 to 7.8. Even my losses, even the trades that I lose, I still have a 1 to 7 minimum. 1 to 7. 1 to 8. Right? 1 to 9.8. So in every single trade that I get in, I always have a 1 to 7 minimum. Every single one. Now I put 1 to 3 because everyone trade different. You know what I'm saying? When I do make my videos, I want to put my videos in the way that can help everyone. I'm not speaking specifically to a group of people. You know what I'm saying? It's just people that want to make money trading. You know what I'm saying? Number three, subscribe to Forex DHS. Now let me stop. Let me stop. Nah, but nah, for shit show. Y'all make sure y'all do that, man. Subscribe to Forex DHS. Your whole trading career will change forever. No cap. Number three, trade 1 to 2 pairs. Now, this is something that I learned recently and it has helped me a lot. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, because if y'all don't know, the Forex market has about 29 pairs, right? 29 pairs of Forex. Look at this, y'all. Imagine you trading and you trying to focus on all these different type of pairs. Like you just scrolling on all these different type of pairs, trying to figure out where to sell, where to buy. You're gonna get confused eventually. You know what I'm saying? Because it's so much information. Either you're gonna get confused, you're gonna miss out on trades that you already knew that was gonna happen. But since you so focused on other pairs, you wasn't able to understand that okay, I can get in now because your focus is not prioritized on 1 to 2 pairs. 1 to 2 pairs. Now, when you start focusing on 1 to 2 pairs, what you do now is you have a less likelihood of mixing your losses with too many pairs. In trading, bro, you're gonna lose trades. That's just inevitable. Like you're gonna lose trades. Once you get that down your system and down your in your skull, bro, that you're gonna lose trades, trading's become 10 times easier because now you're not disappointed when you lose a trade because you know that's part of the game. Same thing with basketball. You're not gonna be tripping when if you're a shooter, right? Someone that likes to shoot and you know that you have a great jump shot, someone with a great jump shot is not going to trip when they miss a shot because they know that's part of the game. A point guard is not going to start tripping when they lose the ball. Why? Because they know that's part of the game. It happens sometimes. They sometimes going to make a turnover. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it is. You feel me? So with that being said, once you start trading 1 to 2 pairs and you start focusing on those, making it 10 times easier for you to follow what's going on. For example, now, bro, I only trade GU. As y'all can see, I've been following GU the whole time. Look at this. One, two. I don't. Did I get into this? No, I didn't get into this trade actually. Uh, I didn't get into these either. This is 3 right here. I didn't. I think I lost this one. But yeah, 4, 5. Right. I lost this one. This big one right here on the daily time frame 6. This trade right here 7. As y'all see how I'm following GU the whole time, and it makes it easier for me to understand what's going on. For example, I see the next trade that's going to pop up right here is most likely a buy. Why? Because I've been following this trade the whole entire time, so I understand what's going on, making it easier for me to trade it and less likely to lose. Right? Boom. That's number 3. Next one. Number 4. Top down analysis. And basically what this means is where are you in the market? All right. Top down analysis. Now, top down analysis, like I said, is where are you in the market? Now, I have done multiple videos on my channel about this. Y'all can actually go check out this video here. This video here, I basically do a whole breakdown on top down analysis, how I got into this last trade, as y'all can see here, so y'all can have an understanding, right? So if you don't know what a top down analysis is and you need help learning and mapping out your chart so you can understand, am I going in for a buy? Am I going in for a sell? What does the 4-hour time frame say? What does the daily time frame say? What does the weekly time frame say? You know what I'm saying? And that's another thing with top down analysis. You get to see a perspective on different time frames, making it a little bit more understanding for you as to what you want to do within the smaller time frames, because the smaller time frame is just a smaller picture of the bigger time frame. Okay? You need small bricks to make a house. If you just look at the house, you're not gonna understand every single individual brick that help make that house. But once you go into the smaller time frames, you start understanding, okay, this is something that helped me build this crib. You know what I'm saying? Me build this house. Just to give you a little analogy or an example as to what exactly I mean by smaller time frames. The smaller time frames make the bigger time frames. Okay. Now, number 5, last but not least, is identify your risk in every trade. Another word for this is how much are you willing to lose? All right. How much are you willing to lose within the trade? How much is your risk? All right. And this is something that I got from the book Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This is another gem that I can give y'all. Man, Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Now, I have read this book I have listened to the audiobook about 8 times now. I ain't gonna lie. It's been on repeat, right? And one thing that he says is to identify your risk, because once you identify your risk, now you have a mental note of how much money you're willing to risk and how much money you're willing to lose within the trade. Let's say, for example, you have $100 in your account, and you tell yourself, I'm willing to lose $10 on this $100 account. Once you lose that $10, you're not going to trip, because you already understood that you already said in your head, I am willing to lose $10. Now, let's say, for example, you was to get into a trade and you don't know how much you're risking. You don't know how much you are going to lose if that trade goes the opposite way. Boom, you lose a trade. You just lost $15 to $20 on the $100 account. And you're like, damn, that's a lot, bro. I should have did this. I should have did that. You know what I'm saying? The market is going to do what it's going to do. It's either going to go up or down. So with that being said, once you have certain things in place that help you understand what's going on and how you're getting in and out the market, now you get into a mental free zone to now it's a little bit more easier on your psychology. And that's a big one, right? Trading is 90% psychology, 10%, I believe they said, execution. So psychology that deals with patience as well. So that's number 1. Okay. So when your psychology is at a point of time that it has set rules and guidelines and things that you are able to give yourself structure on, because with Forex, bro, there's nobody telling us get out the trade, get in the trade, or oh, the trade might reverse here. You know what I'm saying? It's like something that is so unique and so beautiful that every single trade has its own different circumstances, and how can I even say it? Like it's so many things that can happen. You know what I'm saying? It's so many things that can happen. So once you identify your risk and you know how much you're willing to trade and lose, now it's gonna get to a point like, okay, I just lost $10. I'm not tripping. You know what I'm saying? Why? Because okay, that same $10 that you just lost, if you trade in the 1 to 7, the next trade you just hit, you just made $70 off the same $10 you just lost in the last trade, because you knew your risk. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, these are not in chronological order at all. The book Trading in the Zone can help you understand trading in a more probabilistic standpoint. And that's why I love that book so much. But like I said, man, how to become a better and profitable trader within today. Literally today, bro. Y'all do this, y'all, and it's something that you can implement into your trading. You know what I'm saying? It is Monday. Today y'all can't see the time because I'm covering it, but well, it's technically Sunday at 10:30. But you know what I'm saying, we can really just say it's Monday, honestly. But like I said, man, number one, patient pays. Number two, 1 to 3 minimum trade ratio. Buy low, sell high. Number three, trade 1 to 2 pairs max, like max. Do not be trading the whole forex market, the whole indice market, because then you gonna be mixing all your losses together. You won't be able to be profitable. Number four, top down analysis. Understand where you are in the market. That is very very important. Okay, think about yourself driving to Walmart, but you don't know where you don't have a map. You don't know where there's traffic. You don't know what roads that's closed off. You don't know where it's flooding at. You know what I'm saying? These are variables that can help you understand how to get to Walmart a little bit faster and easier. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with the market. Understanding where you are in the market on every single time frame can help your trade become a little bit better, and execution can be better. You know what I'm saying? Number five, identify your risk in every trade. How much are you willing to lose? How much are you willing to put up on that trade to bet on yourself and what you think gonna happen in the market? All right. So these are the top five. Well, not top five, but these are the 5 steps that can make you a better trader today. Hopefully y'all enjoy it, man. Y'all traders, y'all keep attacking the markets, and everyone else, man, y'all stay safe. DHS is out.